Hoagie's Story Theater. Let's go camping! Hi, friends! I'm Hoagie! Let the story begin! Here we go! It was a very special day. I was going to go camping with my friends. Oh no! I overslept! I need to get ready. Pinkfong! We don't have time! We packed snacks in our big backpacks, as well as some fun things to do. I'm going to draw in my sketchbook. Oh, don't forget the pencils. We're all ready now. Let's go. We pitched a tent in a quiet forest.
Wow, the weather is great.
Look, I drew a picture of us camping. Yeah. Oh, it's raining. Oh, the picture will get wet. What should we do?
Don't worry. Let's shout, "Rain, go away!"
Even though the rain made me disappointed, I felt better after following Pinkfong's suggestion.
Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away.
Wow! The rain stopped. Let's go have fun again. Barry said he was coming. I wonder where he is.
Don't worry. He'll be here soon. Bear, go away!
Scary bear, go away! We told the bear to go away, but he didn't listen. We wanted to have fun camping, but the bear appeared.
Hoi boy, Pinkfong!
Now attack! You'd better run away.
Take this, fire fist!
Turns out it was Barry in a bear mask. We made a warm fire and enjoyed camping. We also shared fun stories. But then there was a very strong wind. If Barry hadn't held us, we might have blown away. We couldn't continue camping with all that wind. Wind, go away, go away. Hey, isn't that Billy? It was Billy pulling a prank.
I'm sorry. As an apology, let's share this.
That's how Billy ended up camping with us. When we were sharing the pie Billy brought, a swarm of flies appeared. How could we eat the pie with all those flies? Oh, I know. With some bug spray and a fly swatter. Go away, flies! Go far away!
Great job, Hoagie!
We chased the flies away and could enjoy camping again. We had a lot of interruptions, but it was still a fun camping trip.